Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up Shopify Payments. So before we proceed, make sure to give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for you to get updated for upcoming videos just like this. So without further ado, let's start and get on with the tutorial. So the first thing you need to do in order for you to set up a payment method on your Shopify account, you first need to have a Shopify account or a Shopify online store. In order to do that, go to your browser and search for Shopify. So if you already have a Shopify account, you just click log in. But for me, I already have a Shopify account, but for those who do not have, I will teach you how to make your Shopify account. So first thing is that enter your email address here, and then you click start free trial. So let's get started. Which of these best describes you? So I'm just starting as a Shopify seller, so I'm gonna click that. And I'm going to click next. So where would you like to sell? If you want an online store, social media, or in person, you want to sell it from there, or you have an existing business vlog or a website or an online marketplace. So it's either which of these you prefer, you can select. But for now, I'm just gonna click I'm not sure, or I'm just gonna skip this one. So next is what do you plan to sell first? So I'm just going to click I'll decide later because I can't decide yet, and click next, and then I'm going to make my store name. So you should input your store name even if it's optional. But if you still don't have your store name, better sure to make up one for you to get this thing started. So I'm just going to put my shop name and I'm going to click next. And then I'm gonna need to create a Shopify ID. So I'm just gonna continue with Google because the email that I used earlier to start my free trial is connected to this browser. So I'm just gonna continue with Google and make sure that you sign in or continue with the email that you used earlier. So just gonna click this one and it will start building my Shopify store. So once you are there, you are now headed to your Shopify page. So if you want to set up payments on Spotify, I advise that you avail their plans. So when you click select plan here, you'll be headed to the three plans available on Shopify: the basic, the Shopify, and advanced plans. So for you to be able to completely maximize the payment methods on Shopify, I advise that you select a plan according to what you want your business to be or what your business have or the budget that you have. You can also choose a starter and it's only for $1, and you can also have all of these features. So all of the plans includes all of these features like shareable product page, unlimited products, 24/7 support. So if you want to avail these inclusions, you should avail the plans of Shopify. So even though you have basic or Shopify or advanced plan, you will have the online store, Shopify POS Lite, and can be upgraded to POS Pro. So when we go back up here, I advise that you get the basic plan because it is the most popular plan and it is just $1 now for 3 months. So you can maximize the Shopify account for 3 months, and if you think it's growing, you can just continue your plan, but if you think it's not, you can just unsubscribe to this plan before it renews. So If you avail the basic plan, you can have the transaction fees for all payment providers for 2.0% and currency conversion fee for 2.0%. So once you've chosen a plan, or for now you are satisfied with the free account, just go to your settings and I will show you how to add the payment methods. So go to settings, and before we proceed with that, make sure that you verify your account. Just click this one here, send email settings, and send verification email. So open the email that you entered for your Shopify and then get this email here and click verify email, and now you have your verified Shopify account. Now let's go back to payments. So here are the payments section, the payment providers, supported payment methods, and others. So if you want to select a provider, just click choose a provider, and there are many third-party payment providers here. So if you want to filter them out, just go to payment methods here, and then just select what you think are the most famous payment providers. So for example, American Express, I think that's one of the common payment providers. American Express, people nowadays uses Apple Pay and MasterCard and Visa. So most of the people have MasterCard or Visa now. So if you're done with that, just go back to the payment methods page, and then in the supported payment methods, you have here PayPal. So PayPal is the most common payment method if you're transacting to online payments, right? So if you don't have PayPal, what you need to do is just click add payment methods, and you can search by payment methods or sort by provider. Then search the payment method that you have. For example, let's click this. If you want to choose PaySafe card or among these, let me say, let's choose Visa, MasterCard. If you're done with that, you need to go back here, and if you want to set up your PayPal, just click manage. I don't have my PayPal account for this email, but I'm just going to show you this one. So if you want to set up this one, just click complete setup there and just go back, and you can also add manual payment methods. So in the add manual payment methods, you can have create custom payment method, bank deposit, money order, or cash on delivery. So when you click cash on delivery, you need to add the additional details to display to customers when they're choosing a payment method such as COD, and then input the payment instructions. And once you're done with that, just click active cash on delivery. And that's it, guys. You can add payment customizations, but I suggest that you follow the PayPal or choose a provider that I showed you earlier. And that's it, guys. That's how you set up your payment methods on Shopify. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and see you on the next one.